All right, we're coming back to you with another install video / review video, but this is going to be on the other shop bike, which is a 21 Indian Challenger base model with a 4-speaker build. Like I said, this is our other shop bike. This is Bill's bike. We consider this another shop bike because he's part of the team, and this is another bike that we do a lot of R&D with. And we did one other thing differently that's going to make this 4-speaker stand out over other ones, and that's going to be our partnership, as we're a dealer with TNA Customs, and we thought no better way to try out their 6.5-inch carbon fiber lids than on this beautiful black base model 21. As always, it's time to give you that nice walk around, and this is one of our tried and true packages that we absolutely love. We've gotten really good performance out of this, and it gives you that nice loud clear system that's also a full system as well. So all the equipment is in the fairing. This bike just has a single amp setup. So we have the 4-channel amp over here, got our DSP over here, everything underneath it with a Davidson audio fairing shroud to cover it up, and that sexy LP6 light. Coming around to the front, we have our tried and true Cicada audio compression horn 6.5s in the fairing. Love those. They are very loud, and they do carry a little bit of mid. It's gonna be more than the power bands. And boom, there we go. Those carbon fiber lids on that black look absolutely amazing. The best way Bill put it was it kind of has like that ghost flame appearance because it's subtle enough to where when you're walking up to the bike, it kind of blends in, but as you get up on it, you see that beautiful carbon fiber to the black. So these are TNA's carbon fiber 6.5-inch lids. This is the OEM speaker bezel. We are still working on some things. We're working with TNA because we are going to 3D print them the tether mounts here that they can panel bond in. But it was just very minimal clearancing for the speaker and then the bolt holes. But I have to say these fit absolutely great. You still get that 2 clicks and they're on there. So we'll just give you another little walk around on this bike. I think it came out absolutely amazing. Not only does it sound great, but those lids just set it off just enough to break up the black. But unlike my bike, it's not too much of a contrast from, one color to another. So let's go ahead and let you listen to it. ahead and drop us a comment down in the video section there, because I want to know what y'all's honest opinion of this. And I do like to stress that it's hard to get how this sounds through the phone. So if you are listening to our videos, make sure you put a good set of headphones in, like Apple AirPods, or if Samsung has one, or whoever you choose to use for headphones, and get the best quality audio that you can from this, because even then these microphones on these phones cannot pick it up completely. So this is one of our systems that we absolutely love. Those are the Cicada Audio Compression Horn 6.5s, Hertz SX165s in the lids. Now we also do this package with the Cicada coaxes in the lids. That system absolutely sounds amazing as well. If you saw our previous video, that was the titanium smoke Dark Horse that we did. That had the cicadas in the front and rear. Both are great options. We just want to try something a little different on this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this helps showcase what these systems are, just how loud they are and how darn good they sound. So if you're in the market for the best aftermarket audio solution for your name motorcycle, make sure you check us out here at Davidson Audio, the leaders in aftermarket audio for the Indian motorcycle platform.